Our top story this morning on First Up is the Prime Minister's second visit to the United States in a year. Air India One landed at New York's JFK Airport at 4:30 a.m. India time. The Indian community gave the Prime Minister a rousing reception as he headed to the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York. Modi will address the session of the UN General Assembly, where he is expected to make a strong pitch for India's permanent membership to the UN Security Council. Modi will also address a UN Sustainable Development Summit and participate in a meet on peacekeeping being hosted by US President Barack Obama. Make in India being high on the agenda, Prime Minister Modi will hold meetings with the heads of several Fortune 500 companies to attract investment into India. Another highlight is going to be a trip to the technology hub of Silicon Valley. On day 3 of his visit, Modi will travel to the West Coast, where he will visit Facebook headquarters for a town hall Q&A with CEO Mark Zuckerberg. He is also expected to go to Google campus and Tesla Motors.
Smita Sharma from India Today. 28th is when the Indian Prime Minister will also be at the UN Peacekeeping Summit. So his paths will cross with the Pakistani Prime Minister, Mr. Nawaz Sharif, and both the gentlemen are also staying in the same hotel. So even though there's no scheduled meeting, but what are the chances maybe of a handshake, a pull aside, or will there be a deliberate attempt at the paths not crossing?
No, there'll be no deliberate attempt. If a handshake happens, you will get to see it. If a pull aside happens, you'll get to see it. As of now, there is nothing, no bilateral meeting on.
Let's now go across to Smita Sharma, who sent us this report earlier in the day.
Well, it's the second official American visit for the Indian Prime Minister, but clearly, as far as the enthusiasm amongst the Indian community is concerned, that doesn't seem to have waned, because people still waiting hours for a glimpse of Prime Minister as he arrives in New York. But let's try and get a sense from them as to how has the bilateral relationship, the Indo-American relationship, gained momentum. At the end of the day, these are the Indians or the Indian origin people who have now been, of course, earning their bread and butter and spending their lives in America as well. So, what really has changed since the time Narendra Modi came in last year to now? How has the relationship changed between India and America?
I'm not sure, but we are very hopeful for the things to happen. Things never happen overnight, but little by little things are getting better now.
Like what? Can you cite an example? Which are the things that are improving?
We have seen the relationship between India and America has been improved. Over here we see our more weight of the Indian government and Indian policies. And lately we have heard the news in that India have bought some kind of helicopters from USA. That will bring more relationship between India and America.
Narendra Modi has been selling the Make in India, Digital India initiatives. Do you think Americans want to come to India and invest in these sectors?
They would. They are already there. And if the government policy is that people who manufacture things here and send abroad should have the marking that it is Make in India sort of thing. Okay. And that would help to make our image much better in all over the world.
Right. You're a young person. आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? New York में. Are you studying? Are you into business?
Yeah, I'm studying here.
Studying here.
Yeah.
यहाँ इस UNGA के दौरान में the Chinese president भी शहर में है, Xi Jinping. वो भी Americans को woo करते हैं so that they can also do business in the technology sector. Where do Indians stand in this competition?
Yeah, India is doing very well in IT field. Actually, I'm a computer science student. So here there are many Indians who is working in MNC companies in IT sector.
All right, so we are going to get you all the action from New York. Remember, that's not his only engagement. He'll also be going to San Jose to address a gathering in the Silicon Valley. We'll get you all those details and all the developments which will take place.